Hey guys, it's me, Ron Williams. I am back. Listen, last week I talked to you guys about something that was really important to me because all of these years I've never even thought about taking creatine because I know it's part of the Krebs cycle and the body produces it all by itself. But, and also it requires ATP to produce energy. It's like the currency for the body to work the way it works. So I'm going to talk to you about that a little bit, but what I really want to talk to you about is tomorrow is Thanksgiving. So I'm doing the keto diet using the phosphocreatine. Now, so I've got a plan for, I've planned for what I'm going to eat tomorrow. I've had people, some of my clients got in touch with me and they say, well, Coach, what can we eat tomorrow? Tomorrow is so important. It's like a holiday. You know what? Tomorrow is like any other day when it comes to what I eat. Did you know that? I mean, there's some things that I'm going to eat. If I'm eating keto, that means I eat good quality fat. There's no bacon. There's no cooked grease. None of that stuff is in the keto that we subscribe to or that we introduce other people to. It's the clean fats. It's the avocados, the pecans, the avocado oil. I mean, things that are very, very clean. The MCT oils are also great for you. Olive oil, I mean, things like that. But it's high in fat and very, very low in carbohydrates, between 20 and 25. But because of that, it makes it hard for the body to produce the phosphocreatine. And that is what helps with the ATP. The phosphocreatine helps with the ATP. Now, what is ATP? It's adenosine triphosphate. Adenosine triphosphate is one adenosine molecule and 3 phosphates. So it's adenosine 3 phosphates. Adenosine triphosphates. And that's what gets the body to fire. Now, with the creatine system or the phosphagen system, it's the short burst. And if I'm not taking those carbohydrates in, it makes it very hard to get those bursts. But I have to produce ATP from all 3 systems. And that comes through intensity, duration, and frequency. So the intensity and the duration, and the frequency, that's that explosive exercise that we do when we're in here training. The aerobics is when you're using the aerobic system, and that burns more quality body fat. So tomorrow, let me tell you what tomorrow looks like for me. And those of you that I'm coaching, listen to this. I'm going to have the turkey. Why? Because that's what you have on Thanksgiving, right? But that's a part of our plan. So that's not cheating, right? Okay, so we have the turkey. What else are we going to have? I'm going to make my own dressing. It's an Italian dressing with olive oil and all of the spices that go along with it and vinegar to put over my lettuce, my cucumbers, my tomatoes. All of that goes in the salad. So is that part of the nutrition plan? Absolutely. But you won't see me eating bread. Tomorrow I won't be eating sweet potatoes because that would take my sugars way too high. So this is something that I am going to do. I made my mind up that I'm going to do it, and I'm not going to stop because it's Thanksgiving. Thanksgiving is like another day. It's festive. My festivity is not around food, but it's around the people. Did you hear what I said? That was huge. It's around the people. Next year, when I remember this Thanksgiving, what is it that I want to remember? Do I want to remember how big my stomach is because I ate so much? Do I want to remember, man, that was the greatest meal I had. I fell asleep and man, I just, I could hardly contain myself. My stomach was so tight. Or do I want to remember that one person that I got close to, that one person that before I ever went to the house, I had already determined I'm going to build this relationship. I'm going to make this relationship more healthy. It's about the people. It's about family. That's what the holidays are about. It's not about the food, guys. That just comes along with it. If you're being more healthy, they would appreciate the way you eat. So, the moral of this story is, don't let Thanksgiving, Christmas, New Year's hinder your goals with your body. The more you sacrifice sooner, the harder it is for you to fail later. If you've given so much to it now, then why would you just throw it away later? Give as much to it as you can. And once you've invested in it, it means more to you. Invest in you. God bless you. Till next time.